niggas for how long, and they don't wanna give us our flowers. Shout out the boy, he was just dissing my mans. We got that boy in some hours, yeah, we just scheming. We tryna make niggas bleed, we gotta do that for sleeves. My mom love always told me to be the best man. What you think I'm gonna be? I used to get out that beat and hold niggas down. I had to knock with the beam. All that dissing on Ray Take, he had some nerve. New balance on the scene. Please not play my niggas. Big TG crazy. We leaving niggas on stretchers. Please in my line. I heard you need an Uber. I got a 6 right for heaven. I did time for all of the crimes that I did. Don't ever ask my telling. You better know and you better have some respect. Nigga, I'm one of them niggas. He wouldn't play gon' lay. I be with killers. We make them dance like Triller. I got so many zippers. They all on his jacket. I did that boy from Thriller. You can make songs, but once you mention them names, that's when it's going guerrilla. I ain't gotta say too much. You really put on. We the reason they pull triggers. We've been banging on niggas for how long, and they don't wanna give us our flowers. Shout out the boy, he was just dissing my mans. We got that boy in some hours, yeah, we still scheming. We tryna make niggas bleed, we gotta do that for sleeves. My mama always told me to be the best man. What you think I'm gonna be? I used to get out that V and hold niggas down. I had to knock with the beam. All that dissing on Ray Take, he had some nerve. New balance on the scene.
That nigga has some fucking nerve. New balance on the scene.
Yo, if nobody do it, then I'm gonna have to. For that money, I'm gonna make a hassle. I took a trip to try and get them gas vibes. You fuck up this play, I'm a cop. He got shot and he told on the guys. I thought he was on that. I was baffled. And my little oldest, they some rascals. They hit you up on P and they battle. Like, oh, you want this static? First off, we ain't beefing with faggots. Don't post up on their ends, cause I'm to the end. And then when we get back to the trapping, can't forget what the shit they said. See, I gon' whack them for all of that chatter. Don't shots from Malik, it's a habit. I ain't just a rapper, little nigga, I'm active. Gotta hop in the V if you wanna be true. Like, you gotta show me what you do. I'm tired of you out, you always on that bad time. Fuck your trying to get a stool. That's what it is, leaving me and you. The back door open, nigga, I got proof. All I do is speak when I get in the booth. Get the fuck on my ear, don't tell me when to who. Like, and I'm on a mission. Tunnel vision on into that chick and make sure like bullshit, I'm not mixed that. I'm the one who click it to the spinning. I'm PTSD from jumping out from civics. I had Billy up, he always wins. Who would go flying down, they got him said we get it. Can't don't all that snitching. Oh, she wanna rope, I'm feeling that. I guess she ain't know it could get like that. Once you bring it over, then I'm killing that. After I'm done with the kids, my lips is that. And then I kick out, she's booted. She keep telling my friends that I looted. And she gave me the neck to my music. Bitch, I'm a trooper, I thought you knew this. Like, fucked up. All my demon wanna do is dressed up. Tryna spin it, I hit on some nuts up. Smoke on the treads, I don't pick his nuts up. We got 6, 7 shots, that nigga on trust up. Push on us, we get plucked up. Had to get up and go with my bucks up. Now every time I die, we get fucked up. Like, if nobody do it, then I'm gonna have to. For that money, I'm gonna make a hassle. I took a trip, trying to get them gas. If you